How to fix Zangi update failed. Got a Zangi update that won't go through. It can be frustrating. Let's find a way to fix it. First up, let's check the basic. Is your internet connection strong and stable? Zangi needs a good connection to download those updates. Maybe try opening a web page or another app to see if everything online is working okay. Is it? Then fine. If your internet seems fine, the next simple step is often most effective. Have you tried just completely closing the Zangi and reopening it? Sometimes the fresh start is all it needs. On the computer, maybe you can even try restarting the whole machine. Still no luck? Okay, sometimes the app's temporary files can cause the issue. Depending upon your device, you might look into the clearing the cache for the Zangi in your application setting. It's like giving the app a little cleanup. If you have tried all of that, a more to the solution is to uninstall the Zangi completely and then download and install it again from the official source. Just make sure you have your login details. This often fixes trickier update problems. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you get the Zangi update installed. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.